Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh said that the work for the Shillong Ropeway project is likely to start from November. The Shillong Ropeway project starts from the terminal point Madan Laban towards Lomparing to the viewpoint of Shillong, which will have 12 cables initially, and the engineering will be done as per the European standard. The tender in this regard will be floated in the month of May, which, while the work is likely to be started by November this year, the Tourism Department will initiate a number of projects for the development of tourism in the state, which includes making Police Bazaar a pedestrian zone, apart from introducing several no honking zones in the town.
The project starts from a terminal point at Madan Laban towards Lomparing and to the viewpoint of Shillong Peak, and we will have 12 cables initially, and the engineering will be done as per European standard. So we will be floating tenders in the month of May, and very likely work will start by November of this year.